morning everyone. I am Sharmila, working as faculty of computers in Sanjeev College of Arts and Science. In last section we discussed about the third unit concepts. Now in this section we are going to see the remaining concepts of third unit. Section 3, Open Source Database. Today topic is MySQL string functions. First, what is string? String is a collection of characters enclosed in a double quotation or single quotation marks. Next, function. These are the function. First one is length function. Length means length of the string. Next, concat function. Concat means concatenation. Next, upper function, lower function, reverse function, ASCII function, right function, left function. These are the string function. First, create the table after performing these functions. Okay. First, let's start the table creation. My table name is student. First, create the student table. The command is create table. Table name is student. Bracket open. The fields are student number. Student number is a number data. So, data type declared in number. One field completed. Next, comma. Next, student name. Student name is characters. So, data type declared in varchar of size 10. Next, age, number, group. Group is also the character data. So, data type declared in varchar of size 10. Okay, bracket close, semicolon. Press enter key, table is created. Student table is created. After create the table, next insert the values. The command is insert into student values. So, insert the values into the student table. First field is ampersand student number, comma, student name, age, group. Student name and group are closed in quotations because these two are string. So, collection of characters. So, quotations are enclosed. Next, semicolon, press enter key. The output is enter value for student number. Starting the data insertion, first student number is 1 and next enter value for student name. I am entered student name Asha. Next enter value for age. Age is 25. Enter value for group. Group is BSc. So press enter key. One row is created. That means one student data is inserted into the student table. Okay. Next reverse slash enter. Next second student. Enter value for student number 2. 1 after 2. Enter value for student name Lavanya. Enter value for age 24. Enter value for group BBA. And press enter key. One row is created. In this table, in the student table, there are 2 rows are created. After that, next third student number 3. Next enter value for student name Radha. Value for age 23. Group BSc. Next one row is created. After reverse slash press enter key. Enter value for student number 4. I am entering the 4. Student name Varma. Age 26. Group BCom. Next press enter key. One row is created. Next reverse slash enter. Enter value for student number 5. Student name is Shashi. Age 24. Group BSc. Press enter key. One row is created. There are 5 students data is inserted into the student table. Okay. I am creating the table, student table after inserting the student values. Next. This is the output. Student table output. My table name is student. That student table data is here. If you look at this table, first field name is student name, number, next student name, age, group. The first number is 1. Student name is Asha, age 25, group BSc. Student number 2. Student name Lavanya, age 24, group BBA. Student number 3. Name Radha, age 23, group BSc. Student number 4. Name Varma, age 26, group BCom. Student number 5. Name Shashi, age 24, group BSc. This is the output table for student. Okay. Next. The table is created. Next, performing the string functions. working with strings or MySQL string functions. The first function is length function. Length function returns the length of the input string. Okay. The syntax is select length of string from table name. String means collection of characters. This Asha is a string enclosed in quotations. Okay, this is the syntax. Next example. Open the SQL. Next example is select length. My string name is Asha. Asha from which table? Student table. I am already creating student table. In student table the data is given and Asha is the data. Next, in this command the output is here. If you look at this, length of Asha. Length means size. Okay, Asha. Which Asha is 4 characters. So output is displayed in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The length is Asha length is 4. So output displayed in 4. This is the length function. That means counting the characters. Next, concat function. Concat means concatenation. The concatenation string function is used to combine 2 or more input strings. Okay, the syntax is select. This is the syntax, select concat of string 1 comma string 2 and so on from table. Okay, example, select concatenation of string 1 is Asha comma string 2 is Lavanya. There are 2 strings are given from student table. Asha and Lavanya, which table? Student table. Okay. Concat meaning combining. These 2 names are joined. Okay. Output. If you look at this output, concat of Asha comma Lavanya. The output is here. Asha, Lavanya. The 2 names are joined. Okay. This is the output. Next function is upper function. The upper function converts the character of the input string into uppercase. Okay, I am giving the string. That string converts to the uppercase. This is the syntax. Select upper string from table name. Example is select upper. The string name is BSc. I am taking the small letters BSc from student table. Convert these BSc into uppercase. Uppercase letters means capital letters. So convert the uppercase letters BSc. This is the output. If you look at this, this is the upper function. Upper function converts the characters of the input string into uppercase. Okay. Next, lower function. Lower function converts the characters of the input string into the lower case. Syntax is select lower of string from student. Example is select lower. The string is BSc in capital letters from student table. I am changing this BSc using lower function into small letters. Okay, lower of BSc. This is the string. BSc is the string in uppercase letters. I am using lower function. This changed in lower case. This is the output. If you look at this, this is the lower function. Next one, reverse function. The reverse function is used to reverse the order of the input string. Okay, this function is used to string reverse. Next, syntax is select reverse of string from student. Okay, example is select reverse of the string name is Radha. From which table? Student table. Radha data is stored in the student table. So Radha, the string Radha is reverse. So if you look at this output using reverse function, the string is Radha. After execution, the output is here. AHDAR. Reverse the string. Okay, this is the reverse function. Next one, ASCII function. ASCII function returns the ASCII value for the specific character. That means this is the example. Select ASCII of string name is Asha. From which table Asha? Student table. Okay, the output is here. Only one character is taken. That character is A. First character is A. That A is the value 97. ASCII value A is 97. This is the output. Returns the ASCII value of the first character in Asha. Okay, this is the ASCII function. Next, write function. The write function returns the rightmost character specified in the argument. The syntax is select, write, function open, string comma characters from student. Example is select, write, string is Lavanya, characters 2 from student table. The Lavanya is the string. In write, characters are displayed only 2 characters. That means Y and A. If you look at this output, write characters is Y, A. Only 2 characters are displayed in the string. This is the write function. Next, left function. Left function returns the leftmost character specified in the argument. The syntax is select, left, function open, string comma characters, function close, semicolon. Example is select, left, string is Radha, characters only 2 characters from which table? Radha, which table? Student table, semicolon. Only right side 2 characters are displayed. If you look at this output, right characters, the output is RA. Right side 2 characters are displayed. This is the write function. So these are the string functions. Next, if you look at this, these functions are executed in command line. Next, open the SQL command line. This is the SQL command line. Open. First connect. Enter. Username is system. Enter password system. Enter. Connected. Next, create the tables. The table creation, the command is create command. Create space table. Table name is student. Okay. Bracket open. The fields are student number. Data type is number data type. Comma. Next, student name. Name is character. So data type is varchar. Of size 20. Next, age. Age is number data. So data type declared in number data type. Next, group. GROUP means group. I am declared in shortcut form. Group is varchar. Group is also the character. So data type declared in varchar. Okay. Bracket close, semicolon, enter. Table is created. So student table is created. After create the table, the values are inserted. The insert command is insert into table name is student values, bracket open, ampersand, first field name is student number, comma, next field student name open quotation and closed in quotations because student name is the string character data. So next, ampersand age, comma, next ampersand group GROUP, quotations close, bracket close, semicolon, enter. Enter value for student number 1. Student name Asha, age 20, group BSc, enter. One row created. If you look at this, one student data is inserted in the student table. One row created. Next data, reverse slash, enter. Next, student number 2. Name Lavanya. age 25. Next group BBA. One row is created. So two students data is inserted in the student table. Next, third one. Student number 3. Name Verma. Age 26. Group BCom. Okay, one row is created. Next, reverse slash enter. Student number 4. Name Radha. Age 27. Group BSc. Okay, one row created. Next, mali reverse slash enter. Student number 5. Student name Shashi. Age 25. Group BSc. Enter. So next student is created. There are 5 student data is inserted in the student table after performing the string operations. Okay. First, open the student table. Select star from student. This is the command for opening the student table display. Okay, this is the table. There are 5 student data is created in the student table after performing the string operations. First, length function. Length function returns the length of the input string. So example is select length of Asha. My string name is Asha. Asha is inserted in the student table. If you look at this table, first student name is Asha. So Asha from which table? Student. Semicolon, enter. So Asha length is 4. Output display only one time. This system is repeatedly displayed, but only one time is displayed. Asha is 4 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is displayed. This is the length. Next, concat function. Select concat function, open concat Asha, comma, first string is Asha, next string is Lavanya. Okay, bracket close. From which table? Student table. Semicolon, enter. So Asha and Lavanya are joined, combined. Okay, 2 names are joined. That means the concatenation function is successfully run. Next function is upper. Upper function syntax is select upper of, I am taking BSc in small letters. From which table? Student table. Semicolon, enter. I am taking small letters BSc, in upper function is used, so BSc is changed in capital letters. This is the upper function output. Okay. Next, lower function. Select lower of, next capital BSc. I am taking capital BSc string from student table. Semicolon, enter. In lower function is used, so capital BSc is changed in small BSc. Okay, this is the lower function syntax. Next, reverse. Reverse function syntax is select reverse bracket open, string is Varma. Okay, which table? From student table. Semicolon, enter. Okay, the name Varma is reverse because I am using the reverse function. Next, these are the next ASCII function. Select ASCII of string name is Asha. Next, from student table. Semicolon, enter. Okay. ASCII function means the first character A is the ASCII value is 97. So these are the string functions in MySQL. So next, back the page, exit, type exit, enter. So these are the string functions. So these are the string functions. Thank you all for listening. Thank you.